everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So we recently got a package from Oh Honey. Oh Honey is India's first gel tips brand, and you can get like beautiful tips from them and um, LED lamps for curing your nails and products to apply the tips. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. I have not opened it yet, so I'm actually very excited. Let's open it together. I really love how they have applied this little sash on it. It has written, "You have got nail mail." So it's a pretty nice touch. I really love the packaging. Very nice, elegant touch. You can see I haven't opened it, so I'm going to see it for the first time along with you all. Okay, yeah. So they have wrapped everything nicely. So beautiful. I think I have opened it upside down. Opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I agree with that. Nail mails are always the cause behind my happiness, and I love opening them. I'm always curious. Little confettis. Okay. Oh, they have included a nice gift as well. So cute. So this is Oh Honey, my mini lamp. I have heard about it a lot, and this is a very tiny lamp, and you can use it on the go. Like you can carry it in your handbag, and if you are looking for a quick manicure in your office, in a restaurant, while waiting in the traffic, I think this is going to be a good one. Yeah, you can use it anywhere. So let's open it first. Let's open the package and then we'll discuss everything. Yeah. Then it's these medium round tips, and the next one is medium square tips. Yeah. So there are two types of tips over here. And then here's glue gel. I will open all of them and show you. And here are some instructions. Okay, I am sorry, I've opened the package upside down and missed out all on these things. Okay, it's a little card. Okay, yeah. Meenakshi, thank you. You are the owner of India's first soft gel tips. We hope you enjoy your new products. Free bracelet. Yeah, I saw this one. And don't forget to tag us with your own moments. Of course, I will try to tag you. So it's a cute touch. I love how these small businesses, they often add that extra oomph to their package, and it's a cute thing. It makes the opening the package very exciting, very happy. So I think here's a little instruction card with all the details of how you can apply the gel tips and how you have to use it, the entire thing. And then here's the application guide along with all the details, how to remove them, how to apply them, everything. So this was it. Let me open it and show it to you. So I have opened them up. Here are they. Here how they look. So this is the glue gel. You can use it to stick these tips on the nail. So this is from Oh Honey brand only, and they have their own gel glue. So I will be using it for the first time, and will show you how to use it after I have reviewed them, or maybe post another video of application if this video goes too long. So it has the basic gel product ingredients and the basic, I think, the average way of using it as well, how you apply glue. Let's open it. So it's pretty thick. and I think it's going to be easy to use. You need very small quantity of it, and it has a round tip brush, so I think it will make it very easy to use. We'll show you how it cures at the end. Sorry. And this is the most awaited product from this entire haul. It's Oh Honey mini lamp, and this is the start button, and I guess it turns off with it as well. It comes with a basic USB cable, so you have to like plug it in and then put the cord in a USB charger, or an outlet like your laptop, or in your car, wherever there is a USB charger point, you can put it over there directly and it's good to go. It has 3 bulbs, so I think it's going to be pretty fine to use. It's 16 watt, so I think you will need a bit 10-20 seconds extra to cure your nails, and you have to do 1 nail each. So yeah, it's going to take some time, but when you are doing your nails on the go, I think it's going to be pretty useful for that. You're sitting on your table studying and you can do your nail, so it's pretty nice. All the details are mentioned over here. It is super cute, you know, and I'm reading over here that it causes no tan, so it's good thing, you know. Many people are scared of using UV and LED lamps these days, but they don't realize that these lamps are made with LED bulbs now. They no longer have those kind of lights which can cause your nails to heat up too much, or it causes your skin to burn and feel the extreme heat. Yes, it does make you feel a little tingling and very little heat, but it's not going to harm your skin. It's we are Indians, we step out in the sun, we know our summers, and I think you you are experiencing much more UV exposure than this one. 16 watt lamp, it's not going to harm you at all. It will last for 50,000 hours lifetime, and it is recyclable, which is a very nice thing. Easy on and off button, so yes, this button can be used for turning it on and turning it off, but since it doesn't have any timer, so I think most of these one button LED lamps, they have their own timers, so I think it's going to have its own timer as well. We'll see at the end of the video. So this was it about the lamp, and let's talk about the tips. Yes, I have been using nail tips for a long time, but I get them from Instagram resellers most of the time, and never have tried any particular brand for it. So this would be a first for itself. So this one is medium square, and this one is medium round, and they also have I think one more size in it, so you can check them out on their website. I will mention the links of all these products in the description as well, so you can go and check it out, and I will also try to mention all the prices as well, so you can also go and check it. Each box comes with 240 tips, which is a great thing, you know. So this is how it looks. Let's open it. This is a very sturdy box. I think when the tips are over I can use it for storing my chrome powders and my glitters. So this is how it looks. These are the tips. These are the square tips, and they have these little numbering on them, if you can see. Yeah, they have these little numbering on them. You can choose according to that, and you can then remember what number fits you best. You fix it on the nail and then see if it is going to work for you, if the size is suitable to you. Make sure to keep a little space, you know, it shouldn't be like perfect fix, but it should be a slightly longer, so that the product, like the glue gel, can be easily placed inside. Otherwise the nail will start lift off. Okay, I will also post a video of how to apply fake nails, so you can see that. in that video. So this is how you have to choose, and I really love how they have this little buffing here. It helps to, stick better to the nail. Once you have applied the glue, it helps to stick better. Most of the ones, they don't have this kind of buffing, so you have to buff it with your nail buffer. But it has, so it's a very good thing. I think it's ready to use. You have to, like, if you are satisfied with the length, and which I think I am. I have naturally long nails, not very long, but I think pretty good length. But I'm happy with the length it has. It's going to look very beautiful. So I will post a video about the application soon, because I think this video is going to be very long for that. And then this one is medium round. Again, it has a round tip, which looks very pretty, but I'm a almond shape kind of girl. I really love almond shape, but so I think it's going to work fine for me too. And again, this also have a little buffering here. It has 11 tips on each side, so this is going to last pretty long for you. Yeah, there are total 240 tips on each side. So these are super cute, very nice round tips. I really love, they are very lightweight actually, and which is a good thing. So when you apply it on the nail, you won't feel the weight. Close it like this. So this was about it. I really love how this entire package looks, and it's super cute. This is super cute and perfect for someone who's a beginner with gel tips and nail gels. I think it's going to help you to perfect your art and enjoy a nice manicure at home without spending a lot of money. So I think this entire package was 3,500 or 3,600, 1,000 each for the tips. I think 900 for the lamp, and 650 for the glue gel. If you get your nails done regularly at a salon, you know how expensive they are. For a basic tips, it can cost for about 1,500 or 1,500 to 2,000, I think. So if you are spending 3,500 on this kit or 3,600 on this kit, it's going to last for a pretty long time. You can use them, and you can reuse these tips if you are using a adhesive tab instead of the gel. But they are perfect. They're perfect to be, to be your next manicure. So do try them, and if you have any comments about it, do let me know in the comment section. I will post another video for the application process, and I will show you how this lamp works and how this glue gel works in that video as well. So this was the review, and we'll see you in the next. Bye. Thank you for watching.